What is umbrella insurance? And do I need it? A Q&A with FreeAdvice.com. Hi, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're here to answer the most common insurance questions asked by consumers in the US. What is umbrella insurance? And do you even need this type of coverage? And how would this type of coverage be beneficial for me? You're probably wondering, what additional coverage will umbrella insurance provide? Will it affect your monthly rates? And will it be worth the extra expense? Do you want to know if you should add umbrella insurance to your policy? We're here to help. Watch this video to learn more about what umbrella insurance is, why many agents suggest it when you would need it, and how it might benefit you. Have you ever found yourself in a legal battle because someone else's property was damaged? Has your child ever hurt anyone with that new car that you bought for them? Need some help because your dog accidentally bit the neighbor's son? If you've been in any of these situations, you probably have already heard of an umbrella insurance plan. If not, you will want to stick around for this video as we will dive in and take a closer look at how umbrella insurance works. If you live in an area with a rainy season, you know to be prepared when leaving your house by grabbing an umbrella. It keeps you and your belongings dry and protected. Think of your liability insurance as a raincoat. It protects the areas of your body it covers. But what about your legs? Those are likely to get wet because they aren't protected by your coat. What happens if you are carrying an umbrella? Its wingspan is larger than your rain jacket, so the protection it provides is greater. This is sort of how umbrella liability insurance works. You already have the basic coverage, but adding umbrella insurance provides excess liability above the limits of your basic insurance policy. Without umbrella insurance, one single lawsuit can take away everything you've worked so hard for. If you find yourself in a situation where you need a lawyer, visit FreeAdvice.com, just enter your zip code, and you can easily find the best lawyers near you. Okay, now let us get a better understanding of what an umbrella insurance policy is. Imagine a big umbrella, but instead of covering you, it covers your hard-earned money and fills in the gaps your normal insurance couldn't reach. And instead of just you, it also protects your family. So if your child ever hurt anyone with that new car you bought, that will be covered. An umbrella insurance policy is an extra insurance added on top of existing policies. It provides protection and coverage when your existing auto or home insurance policy limits are maxed. Now that we've covered the basic meaning of umbrella insurance, let's talk about what an umbrella policy can cover. Umbrella insurance provides excess protection and coverage beyond what is provided by homeowners and auto insurance policies. Umbrella insurance offers extra protection with bodily injury liability claims. This covers the injury sustained by another inside your property. Umbrella insurance goes above and beyond what your homeowner's insurance policy covers. For example, if your dog was in a bad mood and accidentally bit the neighbor's son, umbrella insurance will help with the medical expenses and possible lawsuits. Umbrella insurance can also provide extra protection when dealing with property damage liability claims. If you've recently been in a car accident where you are at fault and find that your car insurance liability has limits, umbrella insurance has the ability to cover additional expenses past those limits. Injury to reputation claims is another area in which an umbrella insurance policy could be beneficial to carry. If you're facing a lawsuit and you're being sued for slander, libel, false arrest, or malicious prosecution, the umbrella policy might just be something you'll wish you had. In a world where people can file a lawsuit over anything, you have probably often heard of family or friends who were sued and lost everything. So if someone's after your hard-earned wealth, your umbrella pays the additional cost up to whatever limit. Just like every other insurance policy, an umbrella policy has its limits and areas it cannot cover. So, you might be asking now, what is not covered by umbrella insurance? Umbrella insurance won't cover property damages done by the owner of the property. Therefore, it only covers damages that are done by other people. Also, intentional harm or criminal acts you inflicted and the lawsuit that will come along with it won't be covered by your umbrella policy. Business liabilities and flood damages won't be covered either, because those are covered under business insurance and flood insurance. Since you now know more about what an umbrella policy is and what it may or may not cover, you're probably wondering, do I need this type of protection? Before we get into who needs to consider purchasing umbrella insurance, if you've found yourself in any of the situations we've talked about today and need assistance finding a lawyer, please visit FreeAdvice.com and use our free search box to find top lawyers in your area. Now, let's continue. Do I need an umbrella insurance policy? How do I know if I need one? Just like any type of insurance, umbrella insurance can be important to have, but it isn't needed by everyone. You're for sure familiar with the saying, the more you have, the more you have to lose. If your net worth ranges above $500,000 or you're on your way to becoming a millionaire, you should understand that your normal insurance may not provide the amount of coverage that you actually need. This is when an umbrella insurance policy can have the most impact. Always remember that the more you have, the more that they can take away from you. In a lot of cases, having an umbrella policy isn't just for the wealthy. As long as you have a property, a pet, a pool, a trampoline, or you're a landlord, you might want to get an umbrella insurance because you can always be at risk of being sued. Here's an example. If you're a landlord and your tenant's dog bit someone inside your property, an umbrella policy can help. If you find yourself asking, how will an insurance policy help me in that situation? Don't worry. Continue watching the video and we will cover just that. Let's take a look at another example to help you better understand how it would work to cover and protect you. Imagine you get into a car accident and you are the cause of it. Let's say the cost of injuries that you inflict on the other party involved is about $600,000. But the bodily injury limit on your auto insurance is $200,000. Since your auto policy would cover the $200,000, who would cover the remaining $400,000? Your umbrella policy will. Your auto insurance coverage would cover the amount up to the set limit on your policy, and the umbrella insurance could cover the remaining amount up until its policy limit. Umbrella insurance cost depends on how much coverage you choose to buy. At FreeAdvice.com, you can easily compare umbrella insurance rates. Just enter your zip code, and in a matter of minutes, you can compare a few policies from top providers near you. We hope the next time you hear about umbrella insurance is not because you're getting sued, but because you're purchasing it. There's no harm in getting extra protection. It might help you in ways your normal insurance can't. And that's a wrap on umbrella insurance. We hope this video has answered your questions about this type of add-on coverage. If you have family members or friends who you think could benefit from learning this information, we'd love it if you would share this video with them. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in our next video. And if you want immediate answers to your questions, you can always visit FreeAdvice.com. Our lawyers would be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging and informative videos. Thanks for watching.